Forget scripted and staged. We create video content that resonates because it features your real people speaking naturally, loaded with relevant keywords and phrases to tell your story.
And the best part, it's effortless for you. We handle the planning, the filming, everything. Just take a look at the results.
Welcome to the world of AI. Today you will learn how Google has changed the way your company is found. You will also see many tips and techniques that can drastically change your ability to find new customers online. Be aware that what you learn today can be utilized by every one of you sitting in the audience. You may already have a person doing your social media or doing SEO for your company website, or you might even have someone making videos for your company. What Tom and Rob are about to show does not replace or compete with what they do for you. These are tangible tools and techniques that your people actually need to hear about and utilize. That will help them do their job better.
Hi, do you need a great molding supplier? Maybe it could be plastic, metal, or even silicone. We're Ash, the molding experts. Let us give you a video tour to show you what I'm talking about.
Do you need a new part made and your current supplier just isn't meeting the standard? Or maybe it's a new project and you need access to all sorts of new ideas. Hi, I'm Hardy Spence with Ash Industries, and we're the molding experts.
What does this part and that part and this one and that one and these two parts have in common? All of them can be made with the Supermold program.
If you're looking for a supplier of machine parts, from low volume, complex mill turn to high volume Swiss machining, then I'm your part guru.
So we all know that Google is the largest search engine in the world, but did you know what the second largest search engine is?
DuckDuckGo, maybe?
No, it's actually YouTube. And if you're not marketing your company with video, then you're missing out on 50% of all searches performed everywhere.
Because you're missing that whole YouTube search engine.
And thanks to everyone having phones and tablets, over 75% of all internet traffic is now video content.
Yeah, Tom, but not just any video. It needs to be a video that Google thinks is worth showing up on their front page. That's what we'll show you how to do.
So we're going to show you how to double, even triple your traffic just by making a video. So stay tuned.
Hey, we're PartGurus. We're here to make American manufacturing stronger than it's ever been.
What do you plant in a cornfield in southern Indiana? Plants. Two to be specific, a state-of-the-art medical plastic injection molding facility, and the other that specializes in automotive and industrial plastic parts, products, and assemblies. This is one of the most established clean rooms in the Midwest.
What makes medical molding different than your typical injection molding facility? Simply put, it's cleanliness.
Ceramics, sometimes your last resort, but the best solution.
Good morning, Jenny.
Good morning, Brian.
Welcome to Adron Tool, one of the most comprehensive EDM shops you can find in America.
If you're looking for high precision, clean, brass, aluminum, or copper, high precision, high volume parts, we have all this capacity waiting for you. Mount Company specializes in mid to high volume brass manufacturing and precision parts.
And we specialize in lead-free machining.
Means you have a company that have multiple disciplines, multiple core competencies to give a customer a full band of metal forming capabilities.
Acro, we're a one-stop shop.
It's not just a stamping, it's not just a wire form, it's not just a spring. It has to work, period.
We're not just a spring company, we're very innovative when we can work with the engineers.
At Shellman Precision Casting, we care about your success. Hi, I'm Gary from Shellman Precision Casting, and we are your investment casting specialist. People think investment casting is expensive. Tooling's expensive. In all reality, they're not.
Need sheet metal fabricating or laser cutting, or even laser tube cutting? Meet the Mile High Fabrication Gurus.
Here's an example of a panel that we laser cut, roll, weld, powder coat. Silk screening is part of the processes we offer. Hardware in and ship on scheduled due dates. because our job is to save you money, but yet make the best product for the value.
With state-of-the-art machines and real people who really care. Meet one of the top Swiss screw machine shops. This is Turn Dynamics.
I'm a pretty modest guy, but our clients tell us that we are the Cadillac of the industry.
What you're seeing here is our largest spring customer. We ship them 1 million parts a day, and we make over 950 different versions of springs for them. I'll say that again, 1 million parts a day. We're the first spring manufacturer in Florida, founded in 1957.
Hey, I'm Hardy Spence with Ash Industries. I'm one of the part gurus. We're ready. We're ready to help. We're ready for you. Come talk to us. Find out what we have to offer.
I do recommend I recommend these guys to everybody.
You're a job shop, a contract manufacturer, and you need to find new business. Congratulations, you are here at the show, because face-to-face is one of the best marketing tools for this industry, because you guys are unique. You're a custom manufacturer, a problem solver. This means you don't fit into any of the standard typical online marketing categories. You don't have a shopping cart, you don't sell a product, and your marketing can never convince somebody to decide to make a part with you. You can only educate someone and be there when they need you. So what are you planning to do next week when the show is over? How will you reach those same people that you saw at the show? Will you run AdWords? Will you work on your website? Maybe you're going to post something on Facebook or put a picture from the show on LinkedIn and tell people that you are here. Maybe you're going to email all of your prospects that you met with the show. The answer is yes, do all of the above. Cast a wide net, make a big footprint, make a splash on the world. So call Tom or Rob today and get your online marketing on track.